All right, listen up. Folks, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but haven't quite taken the plunge yet, this is the video for you. I'm here to walk you through the step by step process of getting your very first YouTube channel up and running. First things first, you need to create a Google account. This is the foundation of your YouTube channel, as it's the platform that will host your videos. Once you've got that set up, head on over to YouTube. Come and click on the Create a Channel button. This will prompt you to choose a name for your channel. And trust me, this is a big decision. Take your time, think it through, and make sure it's something that represents you and your content. Now it's time to start customizing your channel. This is where you can really put your personal touch on things. Upload a profile picture and a banner image that reflects your brand and your style. Don't be afraid to get creative here. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Next up, you'll need to start creating content. This is the fun part. Folks, decide what kind of videos you want to make. Are you going to do vlogs, gaming videos, or something completely different? Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're passionate about and that you think your audience will enjoy. When it comes to actually filming your videos, don't stress too much about having the latest and greatest equipment. Nowadays, you can get great results with just a smartphone and a decent microphone. The key is to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content, and don't forget to have fun with it. Once you've got your video recorded, it's time to edit. There are tons of free and easy-to-use video editing software out there, so don't be intimidated. Trim the footage, add some music, and maybe even throw in a few special effects. Just make sure the final product is polished and ready to share with the world. Now, the moment of truth, it's time to upload your video to YouTube. This is where you'll need to do a little bit of work to make sure your video is optimized for discovery. Write a catchy title, add a compelling description, and don't forget to include relevant tags and keywords. This will help your video show up in search results and get in front of the right audience. And finally, once your video is live, it's time to start promoting it. Share it on your social media channels, reach out to relevant communities, and engage with your viewers. The more active you are in building your audience, the more successful your channel will be. All right, folks, there you have it, the step-by-step process of starting a YouTube channel for the first time. It may seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. With a little bit of dedication and a whole lot of creativity, you can build a thriving YouTube channel and share your passions with the world. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating.